Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Chill Out Friday today, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. But before we get started, let me just say, to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. I really do. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands family. But before we get into this video, let's do some deep breathing exercises and just relieve some of those toxins out of our body. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Oh, that feels so good. Come on, guys, let's get into this video. We got some labeling to do. Okay, featured soap of today, Clay Time. It's not even wrapped. We will be wrapping these next week, guys. Clay Time is made with bentonite clay, activated charcoal, tea tree essential oil, along with rose geranium essential oil. Okay? And there's also rose keratin clay in there too. I got the cedar pink. Let's bring in, hello, Mother Earth, luxurious bath truffles. And what we are going to do, we're wrapping and labeling them, okay? So I have my labels, back labels with all the ingredients. And the ingredients is as such: baking soda, citric acid, organic coconut butter, organic cocoa butter, organic shea butter, organic mango butter, essential labels here, front labels, Mother Earth. And it says, luxurious organic Mother Earth bath truffle, organic cocoa, shea, and mango butters, eucalyptus and rosemary essential oil, moisturizing bath truffle, 1.5 to 2 ounces. For the first time, I'm trying these out, and hopefully they'll work out for me, all right? So let's get started. Let me move the tray out the way. How is everyone doing today? Can you believe it? We are in December 18th. Is that crazy or what? I'm telling you, absolutely bananas, right? Absolutely bananas. Make sure you have your ribbon, your neat ribbon as well. Okay? It doesn't matter what kind of ribbon, just as long as you have ribbon. I have already my hole punched into my label already. I place my label down in front of me. I get the front tag. I have one of my little decorative scissors that you can use, or you don't have to use them. Find a corner to peel away that you can catch. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays to your family from mine, okay? I hope you're enjoying your family. That's what it's all about, getting together and celebrating each other, okay? Happy holidays to everyone. That's the quote of today. We're gonna bring our string through our hole. Okay? Now, let's see if these bags are gonna work out for me. This is the first time I bought them. Wilton's treat bags, 50 count, 3 inches by 4. 3 by 4. Okay? Let's see. They might make it for some. Just making it, huh? Which is perfect for me. Perfect little bag. Look, that means there's no cutting. There's no folding to the back like the ones at the 99-cent store. I can twist it one time, which is fine with me. Come on. There you go. Oh, I'm happy. I'll take the bag. Simple. There's no cutting I have to do. Love it. And there's your truffle. All right, so let's try that again. Move some of my stuff out the way. All right, let's try that again. We have our tag. It's here in front of us. I'm going to trim down my label just a little. Okay. Catch a corner, any corner, just as long as I'm able to peel that corner, peel my label off, which I have. Place it. Okay, let's take that up. Let's place it again. There you go. That's a better placement. Better placement. And like I said, you can always bring it to the back. Take my back label. I have my back label here. And I'm also going to cut that down just a tad bit. Get a corner. What are y'all doing today? It's Friday. Did y'all go get your favorite beverage? Some hot chocolate maybe? A nice pumpkin spice or something like that latte. So I have my front, I have my back. Now all I'm going to do is bring my ribbon through. Like so, the ribbon is through. Okay, that's no problems. Let's see, will it fit one of my big ones? Where did I do with all the bags? Oh, bags, where are you? Found you. So after this, our series is almost done. We have one more to do, and that's sunny days as far as bath truffles. You know how I like to show you the difference. Doesn't really matter where you place your label. If you want someone to see the truffle right away, then you place your label in the back. If it doesn't bother you and you want them to lift it up to look at the truffle, then you place it in the front. It doesn't really matter. It's your preference, okay? But I will show you what it looks like in the back. That's the label in the back, and there's your truffle in the front. So let's compare. So you have it like this, with the label in the front. This one's in the back. Okay? I was getting ready to go on to another one. Okay, so I have the label. I'm placing the label. There we go. There's a little excess. I'm going to fold it over to the back. I need some back labels to go with it. There we go. Let's cut that out. Very simple. Very simple. Don't forget, I need to get you in the drawing, guys. Please make sure down at this video, or any December video, that you say I am a loyal subscriber to Glennceria Loving Hands. Or you can also go on my Instagram, GlennceriaLovin. Okay? And get your name in. So I can put your name into the drawing. Alright? So the bags are perfect for my bath truffles, and I'm happy with that. Absolutely perfect. So which way do you like? Comment down below. Do you like the label in the front, or you like the label in the back? Comment down below. What's your preference? And how do you wrap your bath truffles? Let me know down below, okay? Very nice, powerful bath truffle too. Very good. Full of beautiful butters, right? Shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter. You can't beat that. I don't know where you're going to beat that. Excellent, excellent, excellent butters. With loving hands, guys. From creating the product down to the packaging. It's all with my hands. I don't see my hole. Sometimes when you cover it up, you cover up your hole. So what I do is just take a pen and make sure I can see my hole again. That's all. Just enough to get my string through it. My ribbon. There we go. So that one's done in the back, and you see your bath truffle right there. Okay. Let's do another one. What to do? Quote of today, happy holidays. Happy holidays from your family to mine. From my family to yours. Happy holidays. All right, we'll do 2 more on camera, and then I'll give you a break because I know it's very tedious. This is tedious work, right? Tedious work. All right. So we have the 2 labels here. Here's my 2 labels. My tags, my labels. Now I just need 2 back ingredients label, which we'll grab here. Trim it down some. We don't need all that excess paper, you know? That's why I like to trim it down. We have our 2 here. We have bags. All right, let's do a few more together. Let's move some of this stuff out the way. Okay. Probably add some music to right here, okay? You know, I'm still working on that. Trying to figure out how to add music in between. Nice. Hello. Yes, we're done. We are done. Mother Earth, luxurious, moisturizing bath truffles. We're finished. Okay, so the next one is sunny days. We have to seal and wrap sunny days. All right, and then will we be finished with our series of luxurious moisturizing bath truffles from Glennceria Loving Hands. Okay, guys, have a wonderful day. Enjoy your Friday. Chill out Friday, okay? So just chill out. Happy holidays from my family to yours. Take some deep breaths. Don't stress. And I see you tomorrow. Vlogmas day 19 tomorrow, okay? Love you. Mwah. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. See you later.